how to recover your TikTok streak. So if you want to recover your TikTok streak, then what you need to do is first open up your TikTok application. And once you're on the TikTok, go for the profile. Or in order to get the streaks, you need to simply go for inbox. On the inbox here, you will have the chats with your friends. So under the chats, on the right side of your chats, you will have the streak option, right? So you just need to simply tap on the restore option if you have the restore option on the right side of that chat. So it's just same like Snapchat. So if you have any restore options, then you can simply go with restore and you can restore the streaks or recover your streaks. But if you don't have that recover option, then what you need to do is just go back and go for the profile, which is on the bottom right, and go for the upper right, which has that three bar icon, and tap on settings and privacy. Once you tap on it, scroll down and go for report a problem. And under that, you need to simply scroll down and tap on chat with us, and it will take you to the TikTok help desk. And under that, here you need to send a message. So you need to write, hello TikTok, I lost my TikTok streak because I went on a vacation yesterday and I didn't have any stable internet connection, and because of that I lost my TikTok streak with a friend. So please help me to recover my streak with my friend. And once you enter that reason, you just need to simply send that message, and once you've sent, you will get some help from TikTok. And this is the only way to restore your TikTok streak, and without that we don't have any other options till now. So that's it. That's how you can recover your TikTok streak. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.